Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to Zygeist YouTube classroom. Today, we are going to do a detailed analysis of the first part of Chemical Happiness and the Meaning of Life, the essay written by Yuval Noah Harari. As we have already mentioned in the previous episode, through this essay, Harari argues that the mental and emotional world of human beings are not controlled by external factors but the internal biochemical mechanisms. Human happiness is the result of various hormones flowing through our bloodstreams and the storm of electric signals flashing between different parts of our brain. Is it possible for hormones to make us happy? Actually, the feelings we experience are chemical reactions taking place inside our body. Each and every emotion we experience is the result of the release of certain hormones inside our body. Some hormones make us feel good and some hormones make us feel bad. So, which are the hormones that make us happy? There are three major hormones which control human happiness. They are serotonin, oxytocin, and dopamine. Let's discuss in detail about these hormones. First of all, serotonin. Serotonin is sometimes called as the happiness hormone. Serotonin regulates the mood, prevents depression, and makes you feel happy. Serotonin can be released by getting exposed to sunlight, by eating foods rich in carbohydrates, and by exercising. People with lower serotonin levels often suffer from depression. Dopamine. Dopamine helps you feel mentally alert. It is an organic chemical that helps to control the brain's reward and pleasure centers. Lack of serotonin causes lack of attention, lack of concentration, and bad moods. Dopamine can be released by eating foods that are rich in protein. Oxytocin. Oxytocin is often called the love hormone. It is released in large amounts during sexual intercourse and childbirth. It is also released during other types of affectionate physical contact. Oxytocin plays a major role in social bonding and sexual reproduction. So, Harari says that a person who won the lottery and jumps in joy is not reacting to the lottery but to the pleasant sensation in his body caused by the hormone dopamine, which helps to control brain's reward and pleasure centers. A person who found new love and is extremely happy is not reacting to the lover but to the electric signals flashing between different parts of his brain caused by the hormone oxytocin. Our internal biochemical system is programmed to keep happiness levels relatively constant, which varies from person to person. That's why some people always appear pleasant and some others have a gloomy face most of the time. Hormones, nerves, neurons, and synapses enable us to enjoy a momentary rush of pleasant sensations. But these never last forever. Sooner or later, the pleasant sensations subside and we reach into our constant level of happiness or gloominess. Let's discuss the remaining parts of this chapter in the coming episodes. Thank you.